Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share voice recording on iPhone. Now, for us to share voice recording, let's go ahead and open our voice memos app. So I'm going to search it here. And yeah, let's say for example, we're going to share here the third one or this one at the top. Go ahead and click that. Click the three dots here and you have the share button. Now that we have the share button, the first thing that you are going to do is determine which app you're going to be sharing this. So go ahead and look for some applications here. Now, if you don't see the application you're looking, click the see more, and you should be able to see here all the applications on your iPhone that has the capability to share an audio recording. So yeah, in this case, we're gonna go ahead and choose, say for example, Gmail. I'm gonna click this one, and the moment you do that, it's going to attach itself here. So as you can see, you have the recording, you have the capacity to compose an email, and then at the top, you can go ahead and click that over there in order for you to type your email here. So once you're done, you just have to click the this button right here, the send button, and you should be able to share this. So in the same manner, you can do the same for, let's say, Messenger. Click that over there. It's gonna bring it to Messenger, and then you should be able to see here like different people that you're going to be sharing this to. So yeah, that's how you're going to share voice recording on iPhone.